concrete slab. A concrete slab refers to a popular structural element made of cast concrete. It is a flat, horizontal concrete surface commonly used as a floor or a roof. A concrete slab is a very popular construction material. Unlike other construction materials, concrete is so advantageous. Its benefits include durability and longevity, excellent thermal mass, resistance, flexibility, low maintenance, economical. Although concrete slabs are most commonly used for floors and ceilings, you can also use them for building the following more specific structures: concrete patio, concrete driveways, concrete parking areas, concrete garages, building structures. Knoxville Concrete Contractors Co. is a leading concrete slab services provider in Knoxville, Tennessee. We provide quality concrete slab services for both residential and commercial properties. For your concrete slab installation needs, our company offers the following: poured concrete slab, precast concrete slab, decorative concrete slab, concrete slab repair. Knoxville Concrete Contractors Company has been in the business of providing high-quality concrete slabs for years, and we have the experience and expertise to get the job done right. Contact us today via our customer hotline number. Otherwise, you can reach us online by sending a message using the contact form on our website. Knoxville Concrete Contractors, County 311 East Morelia Avenue, Knoxville, Tennessee, 37917501885, 328-2070 https://www.knoxvilleconcretecontractorsco.com/